Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are watching this from. This morning I'll be doing a brief tutorial for us on Photoshop on how to add a blue tone to your picture. How to add a blue tone to your picture. It's very simple, and that's what you do after bringing your image to the top. I'm going to show you two major ways to do that. And the first way is just for this one, just drag it down here, plus that makes the layer 2. So you copy the layer and paste. Then you come to filter, camera raw filter, temperature, and you drag it back to adjust. Can you see that? Can you see? You drag it back to blue. Then you come to your shade here, the split toning. Go to your split toning, saturation. You increase the saturation a little bit. You can see the difference, and you hit OK. That's it. That's before, this is after. And that way is the second way is, let me show us the second way very first. Second way is you click on your layer and come here, come to levels, open the color and pick blue, drag it. Can you see that? Drag it, just satisfied. Can you see? Can you see that? This is for the level, for the camera raw filter. Alright, thank you. Thank you very much. That's just a brief way to change your image to blue tone. Stay tuned for more.